Hello dear students. In today's class we will discuss answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences each of the prose The Model Millionaire. First one, what sort of a man was Hughie Erskine? Hughie Erskine was a very good looking young man and was liked and admired by both men and women. He never said an unkind word about anyone, but he was not very clever in earning money. Second one, what were the various jobs he took up? Why? Hughie was always changing his job and had tried everything. At one time, he had worked on the stock exchange, which had lasted for 6 months. He had been a tea merchant for a little longer than that, but soon got tired of selling tea. Then he tried selling sherry instead, but again he failed. Third one, what was the condition laid down for Hughie to marry Laura? Hughie was in love with a girl called Laura Merton. But Laura's father laid down a condition for Hughie that he would have to earn £10,000 of his own if he wanted to marry Laura. Fourth one, who was Alan Trevor? What was Trevor doing when Hughie called on him? Alan Trevor was a painter and a friend of Hughie Erskine. When Hughie called on him, Trevor was finishing the full size of picture of a beggar man. Fifth one, how was the model beggar dressed? The model beggar was an old man, bent and wrinkled, with a piteous look on his face. Over his shoulder, he had a ragged brown coat, all torn and dirty. His thick boots were patched and well worn, and with one hand he leaned on a rough stick. In the other hand, he held out a hat for money. Sixth one, what did Hughie feel the model should get? Why? The model beggar was paid 10 pence an hour, whereas Alan Trevor would get £2,000. So, Hughie felt that the model should get some part of that amount, as even he was working as hard as Trevor. Seventh one, why did Hughie feel sorry for the beggar man? When Hughie looked at the beggar appeared to be very lonely and sad. Hughie was very much moved by his miserable condition that Hughie could not help feeling sorry for him. Eighth one, what did Hughie give the old beggar man? Hughie was very much moved by beggar's miserable condition. He took a sovereign from his pocket and slipped into a beggar's hand. Ninth one, what did Alan Trevor tell Hughie when he met him at the Pallet Club? When Hughie met Alan Trevor at the Pallet Club, he told that the beggar man showed great interest in him. He had told all about Hughie and his love affair with Laura and about the condition of Laura's father on him. Tenth one, Alan says he will invest your sovereign for you, Hughie. How do you think the Baron could have invested the sovereign for Hughie? Baron Herzberg was one of the richest men in Europe. Alan meant that Baron would invest his sovereign in his business and pay him interest every 6 months.